I'm Benedicta Whitman. I'm the president and CPO of the Boys and Girls Club of Farmington. Today we have a Redneck Olimpics. It's our Day for Kids, which is a Boys and Girls Club national holiday or event. It's across the whole nation in Boys and Girls Clubs everywhere on September 17th. And we're doing an event where parents can bring their kids, adults can come.
I come here often. I like it here. I like the environment.
There's just a lot of good activities that go on to the after-school program here in the community that normally these kids couldn't do otherwise.
I want to walk everybody through it really quickly.
Yep, the sports, all the activities that they get to play in, the different teams and stuff like that all the kids get to play in, and everybody gets to play when they're doing a boys and girls activity, which I think is really good.
What we do here is we provide opportunity to the youth of Farmington. We provide them with the opportunity to find out who they are, to find out what they like, and to find out how to make good choices in their life that is going to help them through their youth years and into adulthood.
It's just a joy to see some friendly competition and the kids to come and learn to work as a team, and it's a good time.
Good job, Parker.
We work with Farmington Public Library, so we work in the library, so we help the kids out when they come into the library. Well, we do like homework help. We have life homework help. We do math days on Mondays. We do science on Wednesdays. And we have movies on Thursdays, which is like we do kind of like a fun day for them. And then on Tuesdays we play like Wii games and stuff. We just make the library a fun environment for them.
We provide help with schoolwork, tutoring, music lessons, athletics, sports, diabetes prevention, and other kinds of health information for our kids. We provide help to parents who need help with their kids. We provide food, we provide activities all summer long, and every day, every weekday after school.
You know, I just think that it's great for the kids. You know, after school activities, I think it gives positive reinforcement, team building skills. I think it's good. I think it's good for them.
We provide activities for teens. We take kids out to new places and introduce them to new people and new things that they've never been able to see or try before. We just try to provide our kids with every opportunity to make good choices by seeing the way their life can become, and seeing the choices that they make really do affect who they are, and they have the power to make those choices for themselves. And we have to give special thanks to Clear Channel, who did so much promotion for us, to the Tri-City Tribune, who's been working with us on this event, and to Buzztown, who's been sponsoring our event this evening and who has sponsored this wonderful video.